Good morning to all. 9th standard biology. I hope all are read the lesson. Why do we fall ill? The previous session we study about some what is health and its failure, significance of health and personal community issues both matter for health, and also the distinction between health and disease free disease and its causes, acute and chronic disease, causes of disease also. Okay, today we study about infectious disease. Today we study about infectious disease. So you take the page number 180. In your science book, you take the page number 180. Infectious disease. First you study about infectious agent. What is infectious agent? Infectious diseases are caused by a variety of microorganisms such as virus, bacteria, fungi and also protozoans. Okay. Some multicellular organisms like worms also cause disease. So, these are infectious agent. First we study about virus. This is caused by virus, common cold, influenza, dengue fever, severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, SARS, okay, mumps, poliomyelitis, coronavirus disease, COVID-19, chickenpox, smallpox, hepatitis B, swine flu and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, are some disease caused by viral infections. You see the picture, viral infections, Vibrio cholerae, Salmonella typhi, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The causative agents of cholera, typhoid and tuberculosis. Vibrio cholerae, cholera, Salmonella typhi, typhoid, Mycobacterium tuberculosis cause tuberculosis. Okay, this is caused by bacteria. Next, typhoid fever, cholera, tuberculosis, syphilis, tetanus, whooping cough, botulism, and also anthrax are some diseases caused by bacterial infections. Next, disease caused by fungi. Fungi cause many skin infection in humans. Some other diseases caused by fungi include ringworm, athlete foot, thrush disease, etc. Okay. Next, we study about protozoan. Disease caused by protozoan. Malaria, amoebiasis, sleeping sickness and Kala-Azar are some diseases caused by protozoan in humans. Malaria spread by female Anopheles mosquito. Malaria spread by female Anopheles mosquitoes. This is caused by worms. Some common example of intestinal infection, Ascaris, caused by Ascaris in humans. In addition, filariasis and elephantiasis are also caused by some worms. Proper knowledge of the category of microorganism causing a disease is necessary for prevention and treatment of that disease. Okay, I say some virus and the disease caused living organism, types of pathogens. Virus, first, caused by living organism, common cold, poliomyelitis, influenza, SARS, AIDS, dengue fever, mumps also. Bacteria, typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, tetanus, syphilis, diphtheria, pneumonia also. Fungi, skin infections, ringworm, athlete's foot. arthritis of foot. Okay, protozoan, malaria, amoebiasis, trypanosomiasis. Okay, then worms, teniasis, tapeworm infection, elephantiasis, pinworm infection, ascaris, it comes from roundworm infections. Okay. So, members of each groups of virus, bacteria and other pathogen have many biological characteristics in common. All viruses live inside the host cell, whereas bacteria very rarely live inside cells. They rather live freely in environment. Taxonomically, all members of group bacteria are very closely related to each other than to virus. Thus, many life processes are similar in the members belonging to group bacteria but not shared with members belonging to group viruses. All viruses, bacteria and fungi multiply very fast while worms multiply very slowly. Okay. Thus, based on difference in their characteristics among the members of different groups and similarities amongst the members of same group, we can design the control measures against them. For example, a drug which blocks the life process in one member of a group will be generally effective against the other members of the same group. However, it will not be effective against the members of other group. Let us take an example to understand this. We all know that antibiotics are drugs that commonly block biochemical pathways in bacteria. So, many bacteria make a cell wall around themselves for protections. For example, penicillin is an antibiotic that blocks the biochemical pathways by which bacteria build a cell wall around them. As a result, the bacteria die. Since human cells do not have a cell wall around them, therefore, penicillin will only affect bacteria and not human cells. Do not have a cell wall around them, therefore, penicillin will only affect bacteria and not human cells. Okay. As a result, penicillin will work against the species of bacteria that build cell wall around them. However, since viruses do not use such pathways and have no cell wall, antibiotics do not work against virus causing viral infection. Therefore, in case of common cold, taking antibiotic will not help. However, if common cold accompanied by bacterial infection and antibiotic will help, but only against bacterial infection and not viral infections. Okay. So, the infectious disease, first in infectious agent. What are the infectious agent? Virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoa and also worms. Okay. Virus, fungi, bacteria, protozoan and also worms. These are infectious agent. Today we study about only the infectious disease and also agent only. Okay. Next class we study about means of a spread. How the infectious disease is spread. Okay. So you read the page number 182. 182. Okay. Thank you.